Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week is the second week of my Valentine's nail tutorial series that I was talking about last week. If you haven't checked my first nail series of Valentine's nail tutorial, go down below, the link is there, check it out. This week's nail tutorial is very exciting for me because Friday, if you don't know, you will know, is 50 Shades Freed, the last one, come out this week. So if you haven't put two and two together, this week I'm doing my nail tutorial on a 50 Shades slash Valentine's. So it's gonna be both, and I'm excited. It's so exciting for it to come out, so I can't wait. So before we get started and see the excitement happening on my nails, go down below and subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it and all that good stuff, because 50 Shades in Valentine's Day is very good. And so yeah, let's get started. Okay, for the first step, I'm going to use one gray to make 5 different shades of gray. Yeah, for each nail, we want a darker to lighter nail. Your pinky to the lightest, your thumb the darkest gray. So this gray, I put in the middle for the middle finger, and then work darker from there or lighter from there. To get darker shade, also add black polish, nail polish, to this gray, and if you want lighter, you add white nail polish to that gray. Should have 5 different color grays, even though on camera these two looked pretty similar, but there's a difference, just saying. So to move on, the next step, I'm going to put some hearts for the Valentine's Day on the pinky, index finger, and the thumb. all the hearts on those 3 nails, I'm going to do more of the 50 Shades inspired. I'm going to put the wedding rings on the wedding finger. So, and then I'm going to draw a baby on the middle finger, since Anastasia gets pregnant in this movie. Okay, that is the end of this 50 Shades Valentine inspired nail tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you like Valentine's Day or 50 Shades, give it a like, share it, and catch you back next week. Bye.